Hi everybody, my name is Sandra. Welcome to the Funky Pickle. Here's a haul that I got today. I'm going to be putting all these items on eBay. I always keep my eyes open for Pottery Barn. They seem to sell really well. This is new in the package. So these really can hold their value. I paid $2 for this. I'm hoping to get 25 or 30 out of this, maybe a little bit more. It is new. So I also picked up this antique doorknob. Public Schools, City of New York. So it's too bad I don't have the other one. But this is still a very interesting and cool item. And I think I'm going to be able to get 25 or 30 out of this. That's an awesome thing. This cost me $1. So mid-century modern and kitschy stuff. And that's called MCM, mid-century modern kitsch. Is red hot right now. And I just got this Mermaid today. This is just fabulous. She's in mint condition. I'm looking at $50 with her. And it is a Norcrest made in Japan. She's amazing. I hope I'm going to be able to sell this and I'm not going to have to keep it. So I always try to look for HSN and QVC stuff. I have seen the Signature Club A person on there before. I just took a quick look for comps. This sells for about $15. This is new and sealed. One thing you always want to look out for with these, make sure that they don't have an expiration date that's gone past. So I looked up one of these and one just sold for $35. That's the eyeshadow Signature A. These are all sealed, which is wonderful. You're not allowed to sell used cosmetics on eBay. You used to be able to. So maybe I'm looking at $15 each on these. Maybe even as high as $25. We'll see about that. Basically everything was $1 at this place, so I got all of these for $1. So these were 50 cents each because there's 2 in here. These maybe sell for 15 or 20 each. So that was a nice profit on some nice sealed items. Very easy to ship, very easy to describe. No big thing. So this is fantastic. This is, whoa, look at those bazooms. She's great. She's like a brand new bag holder, born to shop. I don't know how much of a call there is for these anymore because in a lot of states you're not allowed to have those plastic bags. But you get home from the grocery store and you just shove these in here and then her skirt would get all poofy and you would just grab one out whenever you need. But she's quite fantastic. She is missing an earring, darn it. But I'm looking to probably be able to get 25 out of her or 30. I don't think there should be a problem. I also picked up this old Limoges mirror. Nice hand-painted rose. I don't think that is transferware. I think that's hand-painted. Comps on this. I didn't see the one with the rose, but those look to be going for about 25 or so. So here's a great DVD set I found. This is a Marilyn box set. This was $3. I think I won't have a problem getting 25 or 30 out of this, maybe more. It is new and sealed. So don't overlook candles. Candles can have a little bit of value. I paid $1 for this. These are brand new. The Bendells, I'm looking for, I think, 25 bucks out of this, no problem. And then what else do I have? Oh, I found this nice Norwegian sterling silver spoon. That's really nice. And it has this guilloche green enameling, which is just very beautiful. And this was 25 cents. There's the marks. I think that stands for David Anderson. And that's Norway, and this is sterling silver. Then I found a Pitty Kitty. So I love Pitty Kitties and Pitty Puppies so much. They do have some resale value. I didn't look this one up because I think I'm keeping this, but I might already have this one. I can't remember. This is a lamp. This is just an absolutely fabulous Panther lamp. And believe it or not, I said to the woman, how much are you getting for this lamp? And she said, well, that doesn't work. So, who cares, right? Because I'm going to rewire it anyways. Who cares if it doesn't work? So she said, well, because it doesn't work, it is $1. So I got this fabulous 1950s lamp for $1, and there are no chips. I really, really did check it carefully. So that's a nice old item. So this also happened today. This is a very beautiful old glass cake plate. and it is footed, and it's very substantial. It's a beautiful shade of pink. My camera is really not showing how pretty that pink is. So I said to the girl, how much do you want for this? So she said, I don't know, $3. She goes, I was trying to look up on eBay what it was. I don't know what it is. I couldn't figure it out. So anyway, so when I was leaving, she was packing my stuff up and she said, you know, I have the original box for that. Let me just put that in the original box. So she puts it in this old box and I get it home. I turn it over and it is a Fenton Art glass cake plate and it's brand new in perfect condition. So I should be able to get $100 for this without a problem. If I can't get 100 for it, I'm probably going to keep it because yeah, that's just how I feel about it. I love it. I'll put candles on it. I love putting flameless candles on these. I think it's just a beautiful decorating idea, and I love this pink color. So if somebody doesn't want to give me 100 for it, that's fine. I've got plans for it, but I think I should be able to get 100 without a problem. Right, so I also got these today. This guy had a lot of wrestling DVDs, and he said, just give me $20 for all of them. So I was hoping that there was going to be some valuable ones in here. And the only valuable one is this Disney film right here. I'll be able to get $40 or $45 out of this. It's new and still sealed. And maybe that rock, that might be a $10 item or something like that. Other than that, I don't think I'm going to mess with these. These are just irritating. So I think I will probably put these on Facebook Marketplace or something like that. So I got this for $1. I thought that was pretty interesting. It's clearly old. This looks like it's from the 1940s. There's no damage on it. And I happen to know that's the mark for Goebel. So I'm not sure. I didn't look this up yet, but I think that's pretty nice. I don't know if that's considered a Hummel. It looks like a Hummel face. I've just got to research that one. I'm not sure. But for $1, you really couldn't go wrong. So he's cute. Thank you so much for coming to the Funky Pickle today. I really appreciate it so very much. Please hit the subscribe button, and we will see you soon. Happy hunting.